Very good morning to all my viewers and subscribers. We have arrived at Nha Trang, and this morning we're going to take a look at the beach. And right behind me is the hotel that we are staying. It's the Citadine Bayfront Hotel. There you are, you can see that. And right now it's directly opposite the beach. As you can see, the beach is just behind me. Let's take a walk around the place. Wow, you can see lots of cabanas here, and the beach chairs, reclining beach chairs which you have to rent and sit down and relax. Okay, look at that. Well, it's a beautiful sunny day today with the waves crashing in and the sun shining out. People are out here sunbathing. You see all the way there, the beach. Oh, very clean beach too. Lovely waves crashing in. You see, that's our hotel, the Citadine, but there are also other hotels, Novotel, High Regency, all fronting the beach. This person who is shielding himself from the sun. Oh, that's a nice way to relax. Oh, there is just a huge plaza here. And this building looks very official. It could be some government building or something like that. Okay, so for this pedestal here, the national flag up there. Right, so there's this welcome to Nha Trang here, and it must be some kind of a watchtower where people can climb up there and take a look up over the ocean. There you are. Okay, and there's the High Regency just across the road. Right, look at that. Oh, beautiful landscaping here. They do take the trouble to shape the trees here, as you can see. Looking very nice. Oh, that was a quick tour of the beach, and I hope you have got a good idea of the Nha Trang Beach. And so with that, we say bye-bye.